Look what I got in my box.
I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long minute. I wanted to get on here and share with you my BOXYCHARM box for the month of July. If you guys don't already know, July is my birthday month and I celebrated my birthday a couple days ago. It's been a rough month, let me tell you, between the pandemic, personal things, and just everything going on. But I am blessed and my family is healthy and safe, so that's all that matters. So let's go ahead and jump into the box and see what I received. So the first thing I see, let me just show you guys, is this right here. So here is the card right there. And this card is Sunshine and the box is 28. Here are all the products that I received. I will be going over them as I look at them. So the first thing I see is this right here. And this is like a makeup eyeshadow brush cleaner. All it is just like a little sponge. I actually purchased one of these at the Dollar Tree. They had one very similar to this. Just the packaging on here is just a little bit different. But yeah, so I can't believe these are so expensive, actually. There it is. So this is, it says quick color switch. This is actually from Lavish. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quick remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. It's reusable and washable, and this retails for $17. Like I said, I picked one up at the Dollar Tree. Identical. Okay. So the next thing I see is this right here from Studio Makeup. It is a creamy eyeshadow in the color, not sure if you can see that, pink. So this is really cute. I love this color. So let's do a little bit of a swatch. There's the brush. Let's swatch it. Can't really see it. Not sure if you can see that. There it is. It's really pretty. I like it because it's very light. It's perfect for summer. Pretty eyeshadow. See? Okay, so this one is from Studio Makeup, Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Get both shimmer and shine with the cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance and add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. And this one right here retails for $25. So that is that. Next thing I see is this palette right here. Not sure if it's a palette. So let's see. A bronzed palette. So let's see the colors. Here are the colors right here. Let's go ahead and swatch them. So it's from Ace Beauty. Not sure if you can see that. Really cute packaging. And this one, it doesn't have a, it doesn't have like a name of the palette, but okay. So I'm gonna go from lightest to dark. So let's see. Let's do this. So the first one is right here. You can barely see it. And then the second one is right there. Third one, right there. And then the last but not least, right there. So those are the colors. Really nice. I will be using those because I'm actually out of bronzer. Okay, so for this one, this is the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise. Oh, it's the Paradise palette. It's right on there. Let's see. The Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. And this one retails for $30. This right here from Grace and Stella. It is, I'm assuming, eye patches, eye mask. And you get 12 pairs, and it says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. I love that. So I've been wanting some really good eye patches. I keep saying eye patches. Eye mask. Let's see. I mean, I'm sure it's just like a basic. So here's the box right here. And then you get 12. Here they go. Eye mask. They come in like separate little bitty containers so they won't break. So you get 12 of those, 12 sets. And let's go ahead and read what this is all about. So this right here, it is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Plus Energizing Eye Mask. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around the eyes. Perk them up as you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you more awake and youthful. And these retail for $21. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna use those. Okay, last but not least is this right here. It's the 111 Skin. I've heard of this brand before, but I've never used any of their products. And this is pollution different. Let me see, I'm not sure if you can see that. Right there. And let's see what this looks like. So you need a small little bottle. Boost Defense Anti-Pollution. Okay, so this right here, it is the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through the power of combination of peptides and antioxidants. And this one retails for $135. So that's exciting. So I'm definitely going to use this. I didn't know there was anything that could help with the blue light pollution. I didn't know there was blue light pollution. I guess because everyone's on their phones and computers now. I'm not sure. Okay, so that is it for this box. Like I said, I have been away for a while, but I'm back. I will be making more videos, possibly every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, like I said, like I did before. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on here and share with you what I received for my BOXYCHARM box for July. And if you want me to do a review on any of those, or just like a try on, let me know. Maybe I can do like a natural, I don't know, summer bronze look or something. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.